What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make an audio visualizer in DaVinci Resolve. As you can see, we're located in the Edit section. I will do this at the bottom of your screen. Now, as long as we are in the tab Edit, on the left side of your screen, click on Effects. While we are in the tab for Effects, drag the Fusion Composition and Video. Just fill out the same as the audio. Let's move on to the Fusion tab beside Edit. In the Fusion tab, let's just add two backgrounds right here. As you can see, it automatically merges. Now connect it to Media Out 1. Let's add a rectangle. Change the color of background to, for example, mine is white. Adjust the width of the rectangle. Up to you at what size is the width. Same as corner radius also. Drag it to the left. Now click Background 2 and click Shift Space. Search for Duplicate. Make it 20 copies and move to the center. And now there are 20 duplicates. Now click the rectangle and right click on Height. Click Modify Width and choose Media Extractor. Click the Modifiers tab. Browse a MIDI file, which is basically similar to your audio but convert it with a MIDI file by going to this website. Meanwhile, click the audio converter and scroll down until you find the Convert WAV. Click it. Upload the audio you want to convert. Once you've converted it, click Download. And now let's go back to DaVinci Resolve and click Browse. Choose the file you have just converted. Then click on the button Combine Events and choose Sum. Set the result scale to 0.3 for instance, but at your discretion. Now click Duplicate and set the time offset as mine is 0.3. Now we go back to the Edit tab and observe the result, and that's all. That's how to make an audio visualizer in DaVinci Resolve. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.